Have you ever used AI to complete an entire contract signing process? Because I just did, and I need to show you what happened. All right, so we are on esigen.ai, the contract fulfillment AI, and the free trial is available. Remember folks, the link is in the video description. So we're gonna head over to our workspace now and just show you how sleek it looks. As you can see, we've got 3 completed tasks. We're logged into different sections: docs, templates, smart forms, add-ons, and of course the basic settings are there as well. You can see this is our workspace. There's an account management section, and you can also log out from here. So basically what we're going to do is show you all how this works. So you can easily just drop files in here, whether it's a template, an envelope, or if you want to do something like a bulk send envelope. So as we can see, we're going to drop this PDF right here and just show you how easy it actually is to get this done as efficiently as possible. All made possible through the use of AI and the brilliant platform at esigen.ai. That's esign.ai, and what you just saw isn't a chatbot. It's an AI native contract automation platform that manages the entire life cycle, from drafting to signing to post-signature tracking. The main problem it addresses is that most businesses find the signing process very slow, and traditionally it can be, especially if you're doing it manually. But now, with the use of AI technology and the platform that esigen.ai has developed, it's really solving that core issue by making it far more efficient, just to get that signature done and completed by the other party as quickly as possible. Essentially, meaning you can close deals more effectively. Because the thing is, the real issue is the bottleneck. The signature, the drafting, the review process, routing, chasing signatories, archiving, and even tracking renewals. All of these things, as mentioned earlier, are still done manually by most teams, but not anymore with esig.ai. All right, so that just takes a moment to load up there. And as you can see, we've basically got the contract up here. As you can see, we've got the different sections, which we can easily view here, which is great. So we can just drag that straight across as we can see the date signed, and that's just given us examples there of the basic formats of what we're going to include there. Then we can actually go ahead and drag the signature component over and place it exactly where we want it. And we can also add the style of the signature, which I think is really cool as well. You can have a template, which is pretty cool. I've used them before in the past. You've also got different options in terms of like the font and everything there too. As we can see, we've got a few different options here. Plenty of stuff to choose from, depending on your own personal style perhaps, or your business style. So we'll go and apply that one, for example. You can also do a hand-drawn one, and of course you can upload it as well. As you can see, the signature has been saved successfully, and there you go, have a look at that. Just straight on there, very clear, very professional. You can go over to the details section here. And this gives you information about the basics, such as the activities and the signing section. You can download it, you can change the language, and of course, if you want to resend it, you can submit it with the big blue button as well when we're ready. So let's see what happens when we do that. All right, so that will basically take us to the finished signing process, and it's signed successfully. So it's going to redirect us over. Okay, fantastic. So all operations have been finished. As you can see, it's completed, and we can actually scroll down and have a look. Signed by Kayla. In this example, the dates are there, the files are here, and we can easily view the entire file, the whole contract as it were. Okay, so we're back in the actual inbox section here. I'm just going to have a look. So as we can see, you've got the status there. You can see when they're finished and any necessary actions. I'm over to the template section here. Let's say, for example, we want to create a template. It's super easy to do. Let's go on here and type in house contract. That's done there. We can then go ahead and upload the file there. Pop that in, have the template in PDF. Just let that upload. Submit that, and then here we go. So we've got our sample service agreement back here in the actual template section. So as you can see, again, it's super easy. You can drag over all the necessary bits, the date, number, radio check, select text, text area. So as we can see, there are the different sections. So I've got those additional sections there, such as email, that we can bring over: text, number, radio, checkbox. All that good stuff, an extra little attachment there. So these are all just your standard fields, essentially. We'll pop our email over there. I love it. It just makes it so easy. Pop our email in there too. Make sure that's correct. Okay, once we're happy, we can go ahead and save that. Save successful. Okay, so we can see here, it's actually disabled at the moment, but we can actually go over and enable that to use. That's success. And then that basically puts it in the enabled status, which is what we want. So back on the workspace now, we can actually go through and have a look at some other features. We can go and hit send an envelope. I'm going to show you how easy this one is as well. We can use a template, for example, a house contract, the one we just did. We can hit confirm. All right. So we just load that one up now and save it once we're happy. Submission successful. What's cool is, yeah, you can add your signers in here, and there's the email section right next to it as well. And so we're sending this envelope via email, and we're going to be sending it over to this email address here. You can pop in the subject as well, house contract, any remarks you want to put in there, you can pop in. You can CC, add more files, choose the envelope category. And here we're back in the file template section. You can drag that signature over, and once we're happy there, you can basically go and hit send and confirm on that. Send successfully. You can view the details on that one too. So then they're waiting for Libra to sign in. So that's the person who we actually sent it to, and as you can see, it's right here. So we're just waiting for that signature, and you can see that we've sent it over, and it's currently unread. So I love that. It gives you real-time update. Super cool. Go over to the home section now, and as we can see, waiting for others. That's the one that we just sent, along with the 4 that are completed. And that's the email there, as we can see. So we're going to go in and actually have a look, show you the demo, because of course, this is just a test. And as you can see, the email's right there. So that's the one that we just sent to our other email, and we can go in. This is how it's going to look for whoever you are sending it to. Clients, and we're basically going to open that up. All right, so this is how it's going to look. Please agree to the signature service statement, read it through, agree. We can scroll down and it's as simple as that. So we're showing you from the client's perspective. Now in this example, we can basically just get that signed. So it's all here, all the different areas that you need to check out. If your team is still managing contracts manually, drafting from scratch, chasing signatures, missing renewals, eSign.ai automates that entire workflow from the very first prompt to the final archive. Free trial link is in the description. Give it a try now. And also folks, if you enjoyed today's video, please remember to hit the like button. It really helps us out, and subscribe for more of this AI-driven content. Turn on notifications so you never miss another important video, and always make sure you leave a comment letting us know what you thought about this project.